What's something people don't know about blow molding? It's the backbone of a $78 billion global packaging market, but it's facing challenges that need innovative solutions. Blow molding creates the complex containers that fuel our cars, protect our medicines, and hold our food. But as performance demands skyrocket and sustainability becomes mandatory, formulators are facing their toughest challenges yet. Sustainability mandates, crippling environmental stress, cracking resistance failures, and relentless pressure to lightweight aren't just trends, they're your new formulation reality. To conquer these high-stakes challenges and more, you need advanced strategies. Master them in Advanced Blow Molding Formulation for High Performance Solving High-Stakes Problems online training. This exclusive expert-led training lets us strategically control polymer properties like long-chain branching, molecular weight distribution, and many more. These tweaks result in products that not only meet but exceed modern performance specs, all while cutting material costs. So why should you attend our online training? Here's why. First of all, go beyond density and intrinsic viscosity. Yes, dive deep into the nitty-gritty like long-chain branching, molecular weight distribution tailoring, and blend design to truly understand Parison stability and drop impact. Next, fix the failures no textbook covers. Yes, you heard it right. From neck collapse in automotive ducts to haze in multi-layer PET bottles, gain proven troubleshooting frameworks. You will also learn to engineer barriers that survive compliance. Training will help you to master the balance of EVO, PA structures and recyclability under EU and US scrutiny. It is your chance to turn PCR into prime-grade resin. Yes, learn how to push recycled content past 50% safely. Last but not the least, design for tomorrow, not yesterday. Get insights on BioPET, nanoclay fuel tanks, and digital twin simulations to future-proof your formulations. This training is a must for R&D chemists, formulators, engineers, technical managers, and product development teams. If you're involved in polymer applications and formulation, this is your ticket to staying ahead of the curve. Don't miss out on mastering the science behind modern blow molding. Sign up now and let's shape the future together. Unlock the future of blow molding with us. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, also check out the OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand training courses.